Introducing the 2022 Landrover Range Rover Evoque. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Elevate your daily drive in this solid and stylish Range Rover Evoque. From its all-weather capability to its crisply tailored interior and tech-savvy connectivity, this substantial-feeling subcompact luxury SUV infuses every journey with pure delight. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps, power passenger seat, tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection. Rediscover the pleasure of the drive in this beautifully crafted Range Rover Evoque. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.